What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kids. We are back for another video. Back at the clearance store. Man, we've been hitting this place up. Been finding some pretty dope things. I'm really hoping to find something specific. Let's see if we can find it. I have been praying to the sneaker gods, the outlet sneaker gods of the freaking heat cart. We'll see. Man, I haven't seen it in so long. All right, they don't have much. We've been here a few times last couple weeks. Pretty much have the same stuff. Got campers here. They're chilling. Look at that. I don't know why they still allow that. All right, I was gonna just head out, but one of my boys, one of my nephews, he needs some running shoes. I guess I'll just look for that. Dude got some Pegasus all white. Oh, this is Infinity. No, these are Pegasus. Dude. Whatever. The price won't even be right then. Whatever. But that's just too white. Oh, here's the actual price. Going for 50. That's a Fly's. Seeing if they have the Tempo Next percent, especially in 9.5. They do not. Do got the USA jerseys. These are kind of like the Swingman equivalents. What the hell are these going for? These are going for $40. That's definitely the cheapest we've seen those, isn't it? These normally go for 60, right? The Swingmans. Let's see what sizes they got. See what size they got. This is a small and more smalls. Oh, got double XLs. And I think a 40 is a small as well. Okay, so small and double XL is just the toughest sizes pretty much. Got the blue ones as well. Are these all smalls? Yep, all smalls. $40. Oh, they got a large. Okay, they got a large in here. Mostly smalls though. Yeah, mostly smalls. Yep. Checking out the size 11 in women's. This is a 10.5 though. $80 for these? Freaking almost $100 off. That's insane. Air Max 97s. Got Pegasus in women's size, $60. So Pegasus 38, the latest model. And Jordan Mace for $80. That's what I say. If you can find some Jordans here, you're good. That's some normally $180. That's 10.5. Seeing if they have the Tempo Next percents. I do not see any Infinity Run React Flyknits. Twos going for $80. And then look at this, Jordan OG's going for $70. If that's your taste, man, that's what's up. Yeah, normally $140 down to $70, 50% off. Haven't gone over the women's clothes in a bit. We'll do this and then we'll head out to another spot. Dude got shorts, running shorts. It says $14 up top, $14.99, but they got stuff here for $10. That's a double X pair of running shorts going for $10. Got the shorts. This is what guys like. $15 for these. These look more comfy right here. This is a, what size is? I don't know what size it is. $15, yoga shorts. This is dope basketball shorts right here. This is a loose fit. Don't know the size though. No, it's gonna be a good price. $20, size medium, $20. Moving to the largest. Running shorts going for $15. That looks really comfy. Color's kind of bright. Purple dry shorts going for $20. That's a 1X. I don't know what the hell these are. Oh, this is extra small. Some tights. Normally $35 down to $15. Okay, some decent deals. So you got some women's hoodies. Extra small going for $30. That's pretty dope. This is the Tech Fleece one. This is one the gymnasts wore and stuff. $60. I think these were like $150, $200 originally. That is extra small. New York Football Giants. Small going for $30. Pretty dope hoodie. Got a couple of them. Okay. LA California shirt, hoodie. I'm sorry. LA California hoodie going for $20. Tech Fleece. I see some Tech Fleece. One of my favorite stuff. Large going for $50. Normally $130. Interesting color. I was so worried they're gonna sell out. Look at this. Look at this. All the LeBron James jerseys. Oh, these are all double XLs though. All going for $50. $50. So they do have smalls. Oh, the smalls are the Davis jerseys. Oh, but they got LeBron smalls too. Okay, LeBron and Davis jerseys. Then they got the mediums. Davis jersey. They got LeBron mediums. They got larges. Oh, that's a medium. They do have larges. They did not have larges before. Okay. They do have larges. They're still going for $50. And large probably would have fit me better, but no returns, right? XL, then double XL. Dang, they got every size. Nike hoodies going for $30, normally $75. You got the University Blue. These are all mediums right here. That's fire. I don't know. I'm searching through the apparel somewhere. Double XL. Look at this. Double XL. Nike basketball shorts. Even got a zipper for the pockets. This is fire. $20 freaking if you got Jordan Bread merch or Jordan Bread. If you have Jordan Bread sneakers, that's what's up. That's what's up. And I do buy a bunch of off-season stuff. Like now's probably a good time to buy winter stuff for next winter. Do got some. This fleece. It's tech fleece, right? They changed the elastic. Oh, this is the thermal. The thermal stuff. Oh, the ThermaFit. Yeah, but it is tech fleece. So it's a part tech fleece. What's the price? $50. $50. Not bad. These are medium. I'm not digging that color though. Didn't we saw this a couple days ago? We saw the hoodie for this one. All right, $40 for these. Normally $120. Dude got, ooh, these are dope. Size medium. Normally $70. There's no way they're going for $70. Y'all crazy. It's a clearance store, baby. Come on now. Come on now. What's the price on these? $25. Normally $70 down to $25. Pretty dope. Pretty dope. That's size medium. Jordan fleece right here. Yeah, this is an XL. Going for $30. Normal price $80. More tech stuff right here. Thermals going for $40. Oh, they got the pants. Ooh, if this fits you, that's what's up. The pants with the little J's walking around or playing hoops. This is kind of big though. Triple XL go for $15. Normally $80. That's fire. If I could find that hoodie, I'd jump on it all day. Hell yeah, if I find that hoodie. But I don't see it. I've been looking. Dude got those hoodies in large. We saw them in medium on the rack. Got them in large. Got black ones. These are only a small though, $30. Yeah, I got a bunch even down here. Small mediums here for $30. Not bad. Still got these. We saw these last week. These are the medium size cowboy salute to service long sleeve shirt, $20. Then jackets going for $40. Okay. Lord, I do see. Damn. Do see them bringing stuff out. Let me get up here. What's going on? What's going on here? Holy crap. I think the camper might have beaten me. Let's see what they got. Got some dunks. Some, what is this? The playoffs. Jordan 1 low right there. Okay. Dude got some Jordan 1 mids. Oh, these are the coconut milk or coconut butter. I don't know what the hell they're calling it. What's this going for? Oh, wow. I think a friend of mine will like this one. Okay. Oh my goodness. Did get lucky. Oh my God, $60. Oh my God, almost free. I think he's getting one of the dunks. This is a grade school right here. And you know this means $100, dude, or under $100. Damn, that's a steal right there. Oh my goodness. I just happened to be here for a little bit longer than I wanted. Man, they also got these. They don't even have the prices on them, but they're all cheap as hell. Oh my God. Had a few heat items. We'll take a look at this one. Let's take a look. Is it raining outside? No, it's not. All right, let's take a look at this real quick. And then we'll talk when we get home. This is crazy. You know what? Let's go home and talk about it. I did come up big. Let's go home. We'll talk about it. Maybe we'll head up some other spot. I know this is going to be a short vlog, but did come up huge. And Jordan 1 lows for what was it, $70? Almost free, dude. Almost free. That's ridiculous. All right, I wasn't happy with that thumbnail. Let's look at this. You won't believe the price. I think that's going to be the thumbnail. Okay. All right, guys, that was a pretty interesting trip. There really wasn't much until we found these bad boys. We did find these. I did get lucky with the heat card, or they just threw it on the counters actually this time. But yeah, I did find one of these Jordan 1 mid, and it is the coconut milk. It is an SE, a special edition one, so the material's not too bad. This does have suede on it, suede and canvas, so kind of interesting. The cream parts, those are the canvas portions on the toe box right here, as well as the side panels. And then you do got the toe guard, you have the overlays on the side, the eye stay area, and then the heel cup, as well as the ankle collar. Those portions are all suede. It is a two-tone suede, like a little bit darker in the front, a little lighter in the back. But these ain't bad, but the big thing is what, 60 freaking dollars? Got these for 60 bucks. These normally go for what, 135 I believe now? Got them for 60 freaking dollars, size 11. I saw this and I was like, hey, one of the homies, one specific homie, I don't know how I feel about it, but they did get rid of the MSRP tag right here. So I guess when they change the price, they don't have to do anything, or they can use this for different countries where they don't have the MSRP, so they don't have to worry about it. I don't know how I feel about that. I don't know how I feel about that. You know, I feel like they can just change the price at any time now. I was like, that's kind of messed up. But it is what it is. But yeah, no box top. But for this price, who cares? Who cares? And man, that's kind of one of the biggest reasons why I go there pretty frequently. I think I've gone there, what, 4 times last 2 weeks, because I really need to check out that heat card. Haven't really seen it too much, but you know, I just thought I'd go. But yeah, that like got pretty lucky this time. Haven't seen the heat card too much, or haven't seen them put heat on the front too much, but when they do, it's definitely worth it. I know people that go there on a daily basis, just to hope for that, and also to look around the aisles, because remember, nothing there is over $100. So if you find a really premium product that normally goes for like 2 bills or something like that, you're gonna find it for $100, so that is hella cheap. You can't do any returns there though. You cannot do any returns, so that's kind of a pain in the butt. And they never have any additional sales. Like, they don't have like the 20 or 30% off like they do at the regular factory stores. But the prices tend to be significantly lower. Like regular Jordans might be, $200, and then if they hit the back wall, they, 20% off, so $160. Here they'll be $99.99. So it is a pretty dope deal. Whenever they have mids, lows, they're all significantly cheaper. So it's worth a check. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. Thank you so much for making it to the end. Y'all know how much that means to me. Make sure you help a boy out. Make sure you press that like button. If you're new to the channel, go press that subscribe button. Click on that notification bell, because y'all know I do drop tons and tons of videos. Yeah, I'm gonna head out in a little bit after this video processes. I'm gonna be out all day. We'll see what happens. But yeah, see you guys next one. Peace.